Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a Holman center panel partition kit. Let's get into it. All right, this is part number 40651. It is the center panels kit to be used or to create a partition, mostly for like mid and high roof vehicles. We're going to be using this on a high roof ProMaster behind me. This is the center panels kit, meaning it's kind of the base part of the partition, and then you're going to have to use what's called a wing kit along with this to install it in the vehicle. So this is kind of the middle part of the partition. So when you're buying a partition from Holman, if you buy it on our website, a lot of times we have it available, what we call a full partition kit, which includes the center panels plus a wing kit together. But you can also purchase them separately, where you can get the wing kit separately and you can get these partition panels separately. But you cannot just install these in the van. You do need to use a wing kit with these, and I believe that this is used with like the mid-roof Transit and some other vehicles as well. But this is basically a set of 3 panels. This is the perforated partition. As you can see, as soon as I get this out of the foam, keeping everything protected here. All right, you have some hardware here. Attach some of these foam blocks. I almost threw it off to the side, so just be mindful of that. Real quick, on top here we have our Holman warranty, 3-year warranty from the factory. Make sure you're buying it from an authorized reseller, or else you may be denied a warranty claim. We've got our installation guide here as well, illustrated manual on how to essentially assemble this, and then your partition wing kit will have the installation instructions on how to put it into the vehicle, because the wing kit is vehicle specific. This is a little bit more generic. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to pull this out of the box so you can see everything. It looks like we have our center panel here that's perforated. I believe the solid panel is behind the driver. So we have 2 of our 3 panels right here. Looks like it comes from the factory with this hinge right here. So you can convert this into a swinging door, and the door swings out into the cargo area like this. You can see up top here, we do have locations right here where you can add a door latch mechanism. That does not come with the kit. You do have to order that separately. So just make sure you're aware of that. So we have our 2 of our panels right here behind the driver, and the center panel. And then we just have our 3rd panel right here. And this is everything inside of the box. So your 3rd panel right here is going behind the passenger. You can see we have these perforations up here towards the top, so you can see back into the cargo area. For us in our van, we do have the rear glass in the back, so we wanted to be able to see a little bit through there, so that when we're backing up and things like that, we just to have a little bit of visibility to what's going on behind us, as well as seeing what's going on in the back of the van. But you can also get this where it is a solid. There's basically no perforation on any of these panels, completely solid. So again, this is just a kit for the 3 panels. This is powder coated in a gray finish. It matches all the other Holman equipment that you can get. So shelving, racks, all that type of equipment, drawers that you can get from Holman. So it's gonna match everything and look nicely in the back of the van. Now, we do have this little hardware pack right here. This is all of the hardware that you need to assemble this, essentially. So we have some bolts, washers, and some lock nuts. And this, again, this is just the assembly portion. You're gonna put these 3 panels together, and then you're gonna apply a wing kit or attach a wing kit to these panels, which then gets installed into a vehicle. So this is just the base part of the partition. You need to make sure that you get that wing kit, or else you're gonna get this and be like, okay, how do I put this into the van? I only got this little bag of bolts. Make sure you get that wing kit if you're buying this for installation in a vehicle. If you're maybe just for buying replacement parts or something like that, then that's fine. But if you do plan on putting this inside of a van, make sure you get that wing kit. Now, if you're looking for these panels, the wing kits, any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.